Hey there, Justin and Spencer. How you guys doing? Justin, good to talk to you today. This is Rick Mills, Execution Digital Marketing. Spencer, hope to make your acquaintance soon. But like I said, Justin, I want to send you guys a custom video about your online presence. I want to talk about three things today. I want to talk about content. I want to talk about backlinks and then citations. Without further ado, I'll jump right in. I want to respect your time. This is all about, bringing you new customers, new leads, and, at the end of the day, new sales. That's what this is all about, right? So, first talking about content, let's look at your website, have that pulled up here. I'll say this right off the bat, great website. It looks fantastic. You guys have a lot of great content, a lot of great images. I love that you have the form right up front to get a quote. Everything on here is really good, and you follow the rules of, I always say at least 1,500 page or 1,500 words on your homepage. You have over 1,600 words, so you're good there. I guess the next thing I want to jump into is backlinks. So one software that I use is something that I pay for, but it's called Ahrefs. But I'm actually able to throw your website in here and kind of do the analytics on it. And as you can see here, you've got 57 referring domains. That's giving you over 1,350 backlinks. That is fantastic. What you guys are doing, obviously, with the other company is good there, and you made a lot of good moves there. So that's a good thing. We can definitely get this referring domains up and the amount of domains that are feeding those backlinks, but that's something that can be easily remedied. Out of that, you've got the 725 keywords that you're ranking for. I wanted to just jump into that and show you real quick, kind of how I take a look at this. So once we look at those organic keywords, obviously we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So I'm always looking for these words that have, a location behind them, like Austin, obviously, your key market there. And as you can see here, I mean, Epoxy Garage Floor Austin. I'll just kind of show you how we read this. This 150, this is your volume. So out of that, keyword, this is 150, approximately 150 people are typing that into Google, every month, right? And out of that, you're getting, specifically five click-throughs off of that keyword, ranked on the first page. So again, that's fantastic. Your SEO work, you guys have obviously been putting in the work. I wanted to focus on some other keywords where you're not on the first page that actually have higher volume. So, I mean, right here, buyer intent keyword, Epoxy Floor Austin, 250. Here's another one. Let's see, just same idea, Epoxy Floors Austin, another 250. And as you can see, these all for all of these Epoxy Floors Austin, Epoxy Flooring Austin, they're all, very high volume. You're getting, 2 clicks here, 2 clicks here. And, obviously that's, from ranking on the second page. Not a lot of people are going to that second page to, to dig in and to make phone calls. So, what I wanted to do then was, let's go back to your overview here. But looking at the competition and kind of seeing, okay, who do we need to take to knock some of these people off? And so when I type in Epoxy Floors Austin, one of those high volume keywords, as you can see here, obviously you've got your ads up here, and I actually saw that you guys have an ad here, so that's great. Hopefully that's paying off for you. We do those ads as well, fully optimized. But then, and ads are great. It's pay for play, and if they're working, and they're paying off, then fantastic. But a lot of people will either put an ad blocker up, or they're just going to scroll past these ads because they want to see who's organic. And the first thing they're going to see is this map pack, right? And how we go about getting our clients in this map pack is through citations. I think that you guys seem pretty educated on that, so you probably know that. So, all we do is we get in here. I have another tool where I'm able to see, how many citations are these businesses? How many citations do they have? And a citation is simply, as your name, business name, number, on different directories on the web, and that is what Google gives those organic rankings and gets you in these top 3. And this is huge. I mean, these are, again, organic. As long as you're doing the work and you're here, this is the first things people are seeing and making those buying decisions and clicking on to fill out a form to get a quote. So we definitely want to get you in this top 3. And then the next thing we look at is organic ranking on the first page. Those organic rankings that folks are clicking on. And this number 1 I just pulled up. This is Austin Epoxy Floors. Right here we've got ATX Epoxy Floors. So I just pulled that website up. As you can see, again, another really good website. A lot like yours. Great images, great content. They have about 2,000 words on their homepage, so that is really helping them. And just to give you an idea, again, to look at your overview, right? 57 referring domains, giving you a lot of backlinks here, 725 organic keywords. But what that, at the end of the day, right, we talk about customers, sales, and leads. And so who's clicking through, and how much are you getting out of all this work that you're doing in your SEO? And you're getting 127 click-throughs on that organic traffic. So when we look at your competitor here, ATX Epoxy Floors, here you go. Referring domains, 308, you have 57. So they obviously have some very powerful referring domains. It's giving them powerful backlinks, which is getting them up in that, first page of Google, number 1, number 2, number 3, consistently in a lot of different keywords. And as you can see here, they've got 948 organic keywords that they're ranking for. But look what that equals to. Okay, you had 127 organic traffic. They're at over 1,200 organic traffic per month. And so just think if we could chip away at some of that and bring those leads to your door instead of theirs. So the next thing I want to look at, let's look at these organic keywords, right? Just like we did for yours, and just compare and contrast apples to apples. So epoxy floors Austin, that was our keyword search. Again, 250 volume. They're ranked number 2. But look at this traffic. This is key. They're getting 37 clicks because of that. Again, another one just like that, epoxy flooring Austin, another 37 click-through traffic for that, ranked number 2. So you guys are really close on a couple of those. Just go back to yours and take again, looking at these organic keywords and doing an apples to apples. We see here epoxy floor Austin, the 250 volume, you're only getting 3 click-throughs because, again, we're ranked on the second page. But you're not far off. You're not far off from that second page, and there's obviously a lot of things we can do there. So to summarize, obviously content, we're good there. We can get you a little bit more content on that homepage and really boost you up to that front page through that. These things all work together: the citations, the content, as well as obviously the backlinks that are powering all of that. So, I hope this video helped. I hope you guys got a lot out of it. Again, would love to, take 10 or 15 minutes and just get a little bit more, hear a little bit more about your goals and what you guys are doing, and some of the, the high revenue leaders for you, so we can, put a plan together. So look forward to talking to you more. Please shoot me an email back if you'd like to chat. Give me a call back. Here's my my contact info, my website, executiondigital.com. Rick Mills, phone number is 512-879-9544. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great weekend and look forward to talking to you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.